So today we are going to her sister's daughter birthday, right?
Yes. Irie.
And she is so much overexcited.
Wow.
Birthday 2 p.m. but she start prepared from 5 a.m. Usually she wake up 9, but today wake up only 5 because so much overexcited. Her sister's husband actually from Japan, so I think they will go next month. Japan,
Soon,
right?
soon. Already processed na.
Already processed. So before she go to Japan, this is the last celebration
Yes,
here in
here in
Philippines.
Philippines. The next in maybe already in
Already in Japan.
Japan na.
So let's go to join with them.
Yes, let's go.
Here we go. Just walking distance. Yes. So we can walk from here to venue. Near? Near already? So we are already near, and the girl in middle, little girl, is her birthday. Later she is going to dance. We are already at venue. It's very near. So this is the front gate. Sino partner mo? Huh? They are still preparing because 2 p.m. start. This is beside that. Oh, what's that canal? We come at backyard because still 2 hours to start. This is the Japanese girl, half Japanese. Her birthday is today. Papunta mo Japan? Sinong dancing partner mo? Ano pangalan? What? Ano oras start? 2. Careful. Very good, go. Hey. No, don't tap. Carefully. Straight. Now almost ready to welcome guest. So here is face mask and hand sanitizer because during Corona it's most important thing. So this is the gate for enter. So let's go near stage. And this is the stage. Later they are going to dance here. They have already some food. What's that?
Puto salt and egg.
Oh, it's like
Puto
dessert.
cheese.
Oh, different.
Yes, maha.
And this one?
Fresh lumpia.
Priya saw other kids play with balloons, so she want also. Which one will?
Violet or this pink? Better. I think this. This right? This
Okay.
na good.
Okay then.
Ano na lang po? Magkano po? Ayan na lang.
Which one you like, baby? This or that?
Wow. Iya, first time ah.
This one? Oh.
Thank you.
Don't leave her. Don't leave.
Put in her.
Yes. Her wrist. Tie it wrist. Her wrist, yes. Witness way. She sleep now, just only wake up.
Masyadong memorable naman itong kanyang 7th birthday. Nakakatawa.
So here is the all menu for today's lunch. Oh, what's that?
Lechon head.
Means pig head.
Yes.
So much pig head, big pig head. And this is the rice, right?
Rice, important.
Yes. And
Pansit. Bihon.
that what was that?
The
Gelatin?
Gelatin. Dessert.
Oh, dessert also. And that hot dog.
Hot
right?
dog with marshmallow.
And
That pork menudo.
oh, this is pork also.
Yes.
So this side pork and this side is chicken.
Chicken curry like that.
Yes, chicken curry with coconut.
Mm.
Maybe because look like coconut have quite and
This lumpiang Shanghai. Then that
Shanghai.
kuchinta.
also this all is dessert.
Yes.
Dessert, right?
Dessert.
And
That
this
sauce for lumpia, fresh lumpia.
okay, so this sauce for deep this one. Okay, so let's get some from there because all already start get for lunch. How to give me that
Fresh lumpia.
lumpia? Okay, I hope good taste also. Only just
Of course, vegetable, right?
okay. Let's try. And this side all dessert, right? Dessert?
Yes, you want?
No, I would like to try different. Okay, give me that Shanghai.
Yes.
Shanghai because it's my favorite. I like this Shanghai. In all Filipino food, I like this most. Also dynamite. So also little bit of chicken. Okay, so here is my food. You can see what I take. Thanks for watching.